So today for you guys, I have a removable, realistic, white, textured brick wallpaper that we are gonna put across this whole wall, not only on the mantle, but above here, all across, and I've gotten 2 rolls, so I hope I have enough. I'll show you guys the wallpaper and everything, and again, I'll link it down below. Okay, we've got a little tripod moment going on here. I'm gonna grab the wallpaper. These were 25 bucks, I think, for 27 feet, and they were on sale. They're usually 35. Let's see. Easy to apply, reposition, and remove. Simply peel and stick onto a smooth painted wall or surface. Cool. So, here is what it's looking like. I'm gonna show you guys up close too. There's actual texture to it, so that's cool. We're gonna start right over there and work our way over. Quick update, I have run out of contact paper. I went through 2 entire rolls and I almost finished everything, but we still have this, which I'm gonna use that strip for, see if I can cover that up. But then we have this part here and then that going down there. So I have white contact paper. I'm thinking about, for now in the time being, putting white contact paper up and then just stenciling in some bricks and seeing if that sort of works for now. And if it doesn't look good, I'll have to buy another, what are they called? Tube? Another tube of wallpaper? We'll see if I can make it look like faux brick. It might not be perfect, but for the time being, and because it's kind of hidden, it might be okay. All right, guys, not only did that take forever, ooh, come on now, I've just finished the entire thing. I'm literally aching. Like, that took maybe 6 hours. I think it actually took that long because I had to draw entire walls. But I've decided with the drawing, it kind of looks like I drew it, so I'm gonna get another roll of the faux brick. Here's the aftermath of what we got going on. Here's the overview. It looks perfect. Can we tell where I drew? Literally, all of that is drawn. I think it's pretty obvious. And all of that is drawn, as you guys saw. I'll get another roll. I'll make her look nice. So before, we had this kind of blue wall. Now we've got the faux brick. And with all of that being said, I'm gonna go write my paper because I have an hour and 3 minutes to write my paper that I realized I had not too long ago, and continue to draw bricks on my house or walls instead of doing my paper, but I'm gonna get it done. Gonna do it now. Just for a time reference, I started at maybe like 2-ish or something, right? And it's 10:52, so maybe like 8 hours. So anyway, I had one snack break. If you guys have any ideas of maybe what I should put on the walls, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one.